first graders. So today for reading, we're going to learn about identifying reasons inside a text. Now, when we're trying to identify reasons, we need to look at a key point. And a key point is an important idea an author wants you to understand. Key points are also the author's opinion, so it's what they think or feel. And then authors give reasons to support their key points, just like we've been giving supporting reasons for our opinions. Authors do the same thing in their books. So let's look at this example down below. A key point tells an author's important idea. This author's key point is bees help more than they harm. And then reasons are facts or opinions or examples that support or explain why the author has that idea. So let's read the reasons down below and see if they do show an example of how bees help more than they harm. All of the reasons should be about how they help. So the first sentence is, you might be afraid of bees because they can sting. Now, is that reason why bees help more than they harm? No, it talks about how they harm because they can sting. So this one actually is not a reason that supports the key point. So this author really should not have that sentence in their paper. Let's look at the second sentence. But bees do a lot to help people. Bees do a lot to help people. Does that show how bees help more than they harm? Yeah. The third sentence says bees help plants make fruit by spreading pollen from flower to flower. Does that talk about how they help? Is there a key word inside that sentence that helps tell you that this supports the key point? Yeah, the word help. It says bees help plants. And the last sentence says, a lot of the food you eat is thanks to bees. Does that one show that bees help more than they harm? It does. This one's a little trickier because it doesn't have the word help in it, but if we think about it, this is a lot of the food you eat is thanks to bees. So bees still help create the food that we eat, like the fruit that it mentioned earlier. So when identifying the reasons an author gives will help you understand the key point. You can read the key point, but sometimes you might not know about a subject, or sometimes you might not understand what it means. So it's kind of like one of our reading strategies. If you read on, the author might tell you more about what they're saying or explain it further. And we need to do the same thing when we're writing our opinion pieces. We need to give our key point, our opinion, and then we have to have reasons that support our opinion. That way, if we're trying to persuade someone into doing something or tell them why we think it, we need to have our supporting reasons. And if they don't support our reasons, then they're not going to agree with what we're saying.